Hello everyone, so in today's video, we're gonna learn about saving and delayed gratification. So saving and delayed gratification. Sometimes not buying something tend to be the best options by being patient and saving your money. You're delaying gratification, so what you want to give yourself, like the gratify, like student who delay gratification tend to be more successful later in life. So they tend to have better grades, go to college, and complete college. Okay, let me tell you a story so that you can understand this more better. This is not actually a story, it's actually in real life. So a few years ago, not a few years, many years ago, there was a test. They want to see, like, they're testing about saving and delaying. So they choose some of the kids. They choose some of the kids and told the kids to, and they put the kids into the rooms. They just did one kids at a time. So they put them into a room with a table and a chair. So the kids, and they told the kids to sit on the chair, and they did. And then guess what they did? Guess what the scientists did next? Well, they take a marshmallow. They give the kids one marshmallow. They give the kids one marshmallow, and they told the kids, if you wait for 15 more minutes, I will give you the second marshmallow. Of course, some of the kids wait. So then this time starts. Some of the kids just stare at the marshmallow. Some of them stare at the clock. And some of them stare at marshmallow. But they cannot. Some of the kids stare at the marshmallow, and they waited. And they waited as long as they could. Well, in the end, the kids eventually, some of the kids waited until the last minute of the 15 minutes. Yes, they waited until the last minute of the 15 minute, and they get the second marshmallow, of course. But some of the kids just stare at the marshmallow, and they cannot wait anymore. And guess what they did? They were just like stare at them, and they were so hungry, and they wanted to eat it right away, so they would like they eat it right away. Not right away, but they waited, but they cannot wait it as long as they can wait it. So they did not get the second marshmallow, of course. A deal is a deal. The kids that can wait it, they get the second marshmallow. Some of the kids in the room actually take the marshmallow up, smell it, some of them lick it, but they wait. They didn't eat it. Oh, the marshmallow were so good, but they waited. So the kids who delay gratification, they didn't wait it for the second marshmallow, tend to be the kids who delay gratification, which is a marshmallow. They tend to be successful later in life. So after this test, the scientists keep an eyes on the kids, follow the kids until they attend school, and until they go out of school. So the kids, the children who waited for the second marshmallow, they have better grades, and they were able to go to college and complete college. Yes. For the kids who did not wait, some of them some of them so so if you waited, so the in the test, the children who waited, the kids who waited, they have a more successful life than the kids who didn't waited. Okay, actually, not actually. So the kids who go outside, they didn't wait, doesn't mean that they didn't have a successful life. But most of the kids who wait have a more successful life. Most of the kids like that. Okay, so having patience and saving your money will help you grow your amount of wealth. So this could be the single most important thing in your financial life. So you make sure you would like to follow that. So the end of our true story of the marshmallow, you will be able to see and learn about saving and delaying. You you can see about like you can see that the way if you save money, then you're gonna have better ways of living in life. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a good day.